far as I know, for this whole fishing trip, I brought everything. I mean everything. Even a fly rod, bait trap, all of it. Poles. Bread. Forgot bread. I mean, you don't need bait for a bait trap, but I mean, it's in the name. So, I need it. Like, now. See if Caleb has any. Hey! Hey! Do you have any bread? Do you have any bread? Can you bring like a couple pieces of bread? Huh? Can you bring some bread? I need it for a bait trap, because I forgot it. Alright, so Caleb went to go get some bread. Or buns. I don't know which, but you know. It's bread, and that's all that matters. And hopefully, we're going for gar, but if we catch catfish, carp, drum, anything's better than nothing, I guess. So, if you get anything out of this, maybe you'll learn how to use a bait trap. And hopefully it's better than the last video, because I'll be honest with you, it was awful, like terrible. I forgot the piece that screws into my chest cam set, and so we just had to set the GoPro on my tackle box. Yeah, so apologize for that. Hopefully it'll get better. Like, comment, subscribe. And I've been recently learning how to fly fish, so hopefully that'll be interesting for you guys to watch. I've never done it before, but if you guys have any fishing challenges you want to throw out there, comment. Just let me know, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quick as possible. Because we got hot dog buns. Excited. It doesn't look too bad. As long as I don't fall and die. Why do I feel like that's really muddy? That was a terrible idea. Oh my God. Hey. It's a little muddy over here. But all that matters is I made it. Mostly. Part of me doesn't even want to try to get back. Yeah. We'll do the go-gurt. Fishing didn't pan out, so we're getting Mickey D's, and then we're going somewhere else, because, yeah. Hey, Kayla, she doesn't want that cheeseburger, I'm sorry.
No cheeseburger.
No cheeseburger. Hell no, you can't have the same. What the, you see this? It's called a combo meal. You get what comes with it. That's why it's a combo.
I feel like this bitch talking her way around blowjob.
At least she's getting go with her chocolate milk.
All that matters.
See it?
Yeah.
I'm seeing more hitting here than I was where we were at last time.
Most likely the other side of the creek, I'm guessing. Cause I think this whole thing's gotta be connected here. I feel like it's gotta run all the way to the ground. And then there might be smaller ones that either don't connect or connect into it, but
I couldn't tell you. I don't know, man. I'm not even gonna hook up my big pole this time. I'm just gonna leave it.
I'm gonna go connect here.
Not a thing. Not even a nibble. At least we got McDonald's. I guess. Ow. Alright. Spot number 3 seems more promising. Stop cornholing me with your pole. I enjoyed this 5 hours of not squat. Ugh. Freedom. 4 spots in nothing. Bro, I'm just walking straight up. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have. Oh, bad decision.
Beating it back up.
Oh, freedom. Freedom. And we're at a park. So, fishing didn't pan out today the way we wanted to, but that happens. That's why it's called fishing, not catching, you know? We'll give it another shot. I might try to do some fly fishing here in a couple days. Might even be tomorrow. It all just depends on how things go, I guess. But again, submit some challenges if you guys want us to try, or comment something below, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I'll get you guys later.